How do you suggest people do that?
Fantastic. So Arfin, till yesterday in India, we are not accustomed to use technology for our day-to-day needs. This particular current scenario and the current situation has induced everybody to become technology friendly and technology savvy.
Yep.
People like you who motivate people in a hall of say 500 people can now motivate 50,000 people at the same time. The
Sure.
power of Arfin Khan was restricted for a physical seminar to 500 people in a hall. But the power of Arfin Khan today can be unleashed to 50,000 people across the world and at free infrastructure. You reach to them through technology, you empower
Sure.
them, and what was charged for a presence in the hall was 20 times more expensive than what you could charge over a seminar with the help of technology. So
Sure.
for you, your revenue increases, and for the customer, he gets an entry at a very economical price point. Today, money has become very dear. At the same time,
Yeah.
he's not losing out on an opportunity to learn. So personalities like Arfin Khan will now be more accessible to more number of people, where you'll add value to the quality of the life and the quality of the performance level that every person has. Peak performance has to be achieved by every single human being. And Arfin Khan, I strongly and firmly believe, I've loved your books, I've loved your sessions. I firmly believe, Arfin Khan, that for the performance to improve, the coming scenario is going to be such that the competition is not going to be between two companies, two products, or two countries, but competition is going to be between the capabilities of two human beings. And that two human beings can be an Indian and a Japanese, an Indian and American, an Indian and a Chinese, and an Indian with anybody else. So for that, you need to have to get coached up. You need to get trained. So what you're doing is absolute magic. You're boosting up the motivation of the people, but at the same time, only motivation is not enough. What is required is improving the skill sets of the people, and that is what you are doing, improving the skill sets of the people. What are we doing with this kind of conversation that we are having together? A conversation between you and me is actually going to illuminate some new ideas in the minds of people, and it will help them to take critical decisions of their life. This is the time when you are in isolation. This is the time for introspection, for interaction, for conversation, for listening to ideas and ideating decisions which can help you for the rest of your life. So I think this is a great time to take right decisions in life.